Hi, I'm Daniel, one of the co-founders of ClinicSense, and in this video we're going to talk about how you can outshine massage envy. If a massage envy has moved into your neighborhood, you might be feeling the competitive pressure. After all, they're a national brand and easily attract new customers. But you don't have to be intimidated. In fact, most of Massage Envy's strategies aren't top secret, so we can use these strategies and implement them in your business as well. So today we're specifically talking about the appearance of your business.
Looks matter.
Imagine you're walking down the street trying to choose a restaurant, and there's one that has their windows covered and there are food wrappings on the ground, compared to their neighbor who's bright, clean, tidy. It's going to be a no-brainer for you. The same thing applies to massage therapy business, especially if you're in an area where curb appeal can attract new customers. So using guidance from Massage Envy, they do a great job with their appearance. Their locations are generally clean and importantly, very well lit. So they have great curb appeal. And this is something that you want to make sure that you're able to replicate. So if your space feels dark or in need of an update, it's important that you take action so that your office is looking good from every angle.
Online appearance.
Now this is not only going to help because of curb appeal, but it's going to help your online presence as well. For your Google My Business listing, you want to be able to post photos of your office space. And if it's clean and bright, it's going to be inviting to people that are searching online for massage businesses. Additionally, when your customers go online to write reviews, you want them talking about how warm and inviting a space that you've put together. Maintaining your appearances isn't just a once in a while sort of thing. What you want to do is implement a maintenance process and create a checklist of things that you'll do either daily, weekly, or monthly.
From the outside in.
You want to start on the outside of your business. If you have a parking lot or shared areas, you want to make sure that those areas are clean. And if you're renting your space, you want to alert your landlord of any problem areas as soon as possible. Give the sign outside of your business plenty of TLC. It's an important symbol for your business, so you want to make sure that it is clean, well-maintained, and well-lit. We've all driven by businesses and we've seen their signs either with lights out or damaged, and it makes you second guess whether or not that's a business you want to go into. If you have external windows, make sure that your office space is easy to see into. That way you're showing off how well-maintained and inviting your space is. And so you just want to make sure you're not covering your windows with painted on ads or posters. You want to make sure that you're regularly cleaning and decluttering your waiting area, common areas in your office, as well as your treatment room. It can be very easy for little messes to pile up, so make sure that every day you're going through and putting everything back in their proper place. Also spend some time reviewing the decor of your office. It's going to need an update every once in a while so that it doesn't start to feel dingy in there.
Final thoughts.
Don't make any excuses or ignore signs of wear and tear. Every few weeks, walk through your space with a critical eye, see what needs updating, and do it as soon as possible. You want to make sure that your office space is always inviting to your clients so that they're going to be rebooking with you often. Finally, if you do have a massage franchise in your area like a Massage Envy, go ahead and book yourself a treatment there. It's going to be great for self-care, but it also gives you a chance to check out the competition. So when you're in their space, just take a look around, see what you like, see what you don't like, use that as inspiration for your own space. Keeping your business looking good is just one of the ways that you can compete with Massage Envy. If you're looking for additional tips, please take a look at the description below. I've included a link to our free ebook, The Ultimate Guide to Beating Massage Envy. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked that video, please hit the like button. And if you're looking for more tips on how to reduce your no-shows, book more appointments, and to grow your business, hit the subscribe button to be notified when new videos become available.